Hi, I'm Dale Keller, President of Ecosystems Arizona, and I would like to thank you for being considered for this project.
Ecosystems is a company that design and build wastewater treatment facilities.
Welcome to the Tonto Apache wastewater treatment plant.
It is fair to say that this is the most advanced wastewater treatment plant at this point in the world. The quality of the effluent water has been absolutely incredible. This plant was designed by Carl Gallant and had given about 7 awards for the best technology in wastewater treatment plant at this point.
The system is in a way self-contained and uses probably about 30 to 50% less land than most conventional systems.
It's absolutely different comparing with the conventional plants. This plant uses no chemicals whatsoever to treat the effluent water.
No chemicals. Yeah, that's pretty unique in the industry. It's a green system.
This uses a UFBF technology that was developed by Eagle Fluids up in Canada.
Our system is actually pretty simple.
This is an upflow technology that uses the sludge blanket as a filter. The water comes into the influent, which is right behind me. It gets pumped up into the equalization basin or noxic basin. The air transfers over to the bioreactors.
The system's based on natural use of bacteria.
From there it clarifies out. It is UV disinfection.
The benefit of the plant is the quality of the water, which is Class A+. This can go easily into a tank, use it for fire line or a sprinkler system. We don't want the people to drink it, but it's almost there. The plant has one of the best technologies in order to minimize the pollution, the odor that other plants produce.
We have installations that are actually near restaurants.
Welcome to Planta, can we help you?
We haven't gotten any odor complaints.
Our system is virtually odor-free, and it's also cheaper because the chemicals cost money, and not only are they bad for the environment and then have to be taken out of the water.
The cost of this plant is so small comparing with the conventional plant. And for any conventional plant to put the kind of water that we have right here, they have to spend the millions.
You can have a 150, 200,000 gallon system and the entire plant would be on a quarter acre, which is unheard of in the industry. A 125,000 gallon plant operates on less than 200 amp panel. So there's some substantial cost savings there in terms of long-term operational costs.
This is the brains of the operation.
The systems, the electronics, the mechanics of the plant allows you to have only one person.
The plant is running by one operator only.
A 250,000 gallon system could be maintained by one individual on a part-time basis. And when you factor that in over the life of the facility, you're talking millions of dollars in savings.
We put it on the side of the hill because it gives you like you are on top of the tennis court. The people can see from the casino that is a tennis court. The people on the restaurant that can see it's not a wastewater treatment plant. And we can put it like a little house to blend within a subdivision.
Some of the major corporations that are supplying wastewater, they have 50 to 100 people, and communication gets lost in the shuffle. We're relatively small, and it's an individual to individual in terms of a working relationship, and that maintains really good communication.
What usually happens in the big companies and corporations is that you have so many levels that you have to go through in order to have an answer. If you have a problem with your specifications or your documents that you don't understand, you have to go through 2 or 3 people in order to get the information. What you get from us is a more tailored, a more boutique kind of firm. Yeah, tomorrow is fine. Here, you know me by name, I'm a decision maker, and also my team has the power to make things happen. It is like working with friends. This is the best facility in the world. You're going to get from us the best product.
Thanks for listening to our presentation, and we're looking forward to putting our technology to work for you.